Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is August 6th, 2025, and we're diving into the second quarter earnings report of Louisiana-Pacific, a leader in high-performance building products. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Louisiana-Pacific, or LP, has just released their Q2 2025 earnings, and there's a lot to unpack, from their siding segment's growth to challenges in the OSB market.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the overall financial performance. LP reported consolidated net sales of $755 million, a decrease of $60 million from the previous year. Net income also saw a significant drop. John, what are the key factors here?
Indeed, the net income decreased by $106 million to $54 million, with an adjusted EPS of 99 cents, which actually beat the forecasted EPS of 97. The decline in net income is largely due to a decrease in OSB sales, which were down by $101 million, reflecting lower prices in the market.
Despite the challenges, the adjusted EPS beat expectations. How did they manage that?
The siding segment was a bright spot, with net sales increasing by $45 million or 11%, thanks to higher volumes and prices. This helped offset some of the losses from the OSB segment.
Siding segment performance. The siding segment seems to be a key driver for LP. Can you elaborate on its performance this quarter?
Absolutely. The siding segment reported net sales of $460 million, up 11% from last year. This growth was driven by an 8% increase in volumes and a 2% rise in prices. The segment's adjusted EBITDA also grew by 19% to $125 million, with expert finished products seeing a 17% sales increase.
What does this mean for LP's strategic positioning?
It indicates that LP is successfully capturing market share and setting new records in sales volume and revenue for the siding segment. This positions them well for future growth, especially as they continue to innovate in their product offerings.
OSB segment challenges. On the flip side, the OSB segment faced significant challenges. What were the main issues?
The OSB segment saw net sales drop to $250 million, a decrease of $101 million. This was primarily due to a $102 million impact from lower selling prices. The adjusted EBITDA for this segment plummeted by 85% to $19 million, highlighting the tough market conditions.
How is LP addressing these challenges?
LP is focusing on executing its OSB segment strategy with efficiency and discipline, despite the current market challenges. They are also leveraging their strong siding performance to balance the overall business impact.
Capital allocation and liquidity. Let's talk about capital allocation. How is LP managing its resources?
LP invested $68 million in capital expenditures this quarter and paid $19 million in cash dividends. They also announced a quarterly dividend of 28 cents per share. Importantly, they maintain a strong liquidity position with $1.1 billion available, which provides a solid foundation for future investments and shareholder returns.
What does this tell us about their financial health?
It shows that LP is in a robust financial position, allowing them to continue investing in growth opportunities while returning value to shareholders through dividends.
Future outlook and guidance. Looking ahead, what guidance has LP provided for the upcoming quarters?
For the third quarter, LP expects siding net sales to grow by about 3% year over year, with full-year growth projected at 9%. However, the OSB segment is expected to face continued challenges, with an adjusted EBITDA of approximately negative $45 million for Q3. They also plan to invest around $350 million in capital expenditures for the full year.
How should investors interpret this guidance?
Investors should see this as a balanced approach, with strong growth in the siding segment offsetting the OSB challenges. The significant capital investment indicates LP's commitment to long-term growth and operational efficiency.
Key takeaways. In summary, LP's Q2 2025 results show a mixed performance with strong growth in the siding segment and challenges in the OSB market. Their adjusted EPS of 99 beat expectations, and they maintain a strong liquidity position. John, any final thoughts?
LP is navigating a challenging market environment with strategic focus and financial discipline. Their strong siding performance and robust liquidity provide a solid foundation for future growth. Investors should keep an eye on how they manage the OSB challenges moving forward.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more financial analyses. We'd love to hear your thoughts on LP's performance in the comments below.